Our interactive photo booth combines virtual content with real photos in a brand new photography experience. Using our technology to add logos, IP characters, animation effects, and 3D models into photos. Transforming static photos into interactive creative content. Simply choose your favorite theme and generate a cool AI-powered character image. Scan the code to save your exclusive moments with instant photo printing. Simply open your phone and scan the QR code on the photo. The hidden art content inside the photo is instantly activated. Buildings slowly rise from the photo while characters come to life. Animations appear within the real-world environment. Content can be flexibly customized with replaceable images and logos, adding animation effects and embedding 3D model content. Photos are no longer static images, but an interactive 3D world. This is the true Art Interactive experience. The system supports mobile screen recording, allowing users to easily create dynamic video content, perfect for attractions, malls, branded events, and exhibitions to create engaging interactive experiences fast.